dynamite. Turn you a million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel. The last one not to get this dough.
That's nuts, Millie.
What's left of us? What's left of our lives? It's only you, it's only me, it's only us at the end of the night. I remember when you couldn't tell me a thing. Now you talk so much it drives me insane. But you could do something great. So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. Ain't my heart true. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, this ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
Love, what is love? Believe it if I told you all about it. But how pressure just keep adding. Don't you just get mad for? We was living fast. So give me time. All these people always lying on my tongue. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for it.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe not sense so. Reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to challenge how this shit goes? Fuck everybody.
You wanna be my evil. You won't even do the hell. This shit don't add up. You don't even know the man. Yeah.
Hi friends, so we are in the gym. Got the gym to myself, so y'all know I'm so happy about that. I'm gonna let me set y'all up. I'm deep conditioning. I did finally get to go ahead and put in the aloe. I put in the aloe vera gel, and I also put in Miel deep conditioner and also a split end deep conditioner by Eden Body Works. So all of that together kind of allowed the aloe to go in easier, if that makes sense. And so I've just had my hair just really sitting in the twist for a few hours. I know it shouldn't be that long. I know you shouldn't do like a moisture overload, but my hair really needed it, especially after trying out like a wash and go. I tried out wash and go. Yeah, honey, I definitely need to try a diffuser. I've never tried a diffuser before, and I just feel like my curls would pop more in the way that I want them to if I do that. So let's get started.
That's nuts, Millie.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Ricky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I can have the free, keep it beat. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Push your self-esteem. I get tough in the moment, so I feel like baby king. For the flash, the boss chatting, so I just like baby B. Don't cool, that's so that you know it's giving cream. I got hoes when there's not enough, come feel the nicotine. I need chips, I tell that nigga, eat like a baby, carry that on my head, on my head. Just take a sip, this shawty got me pissed, got me pleasure all day. Before I get up, on my house, give a fuck about my girls, but my bitch, you can't be touched. That I made that nigga eat, huh? Ain't no that I'm rich, but that's my project. Bring it to me, something till my cheek on switch. Push a T, push a pound.
Hello. 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 Good afternoon. It's about to be noontime. Finally washed my hair, washed out the aloe, as well as the other deep conditioners that I added in there. I have not eaten yet. I'm about to make my big booty breakfast and my oatmeal. Y'all already know how I do. But before I got into any of that, I had to make some more celery juice. So I just filmed making this. That's going to be on my TikTok. But yeah, I just made one more. I literally only had one stock left and it only made one full container. So I'm definitely going to have to go back to the store and get some more today to make for the rest of the week. But I do got a little bit left I'm going to put in here. Hold on, because this camera about to die. Every time it's about to die. Every day.
We don't go, but you telling me just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, welcome at the age, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep up.